Most candidates treat the end of an interview like a formality. They typically ask generic questions like, what is the company culture like? Or what are the next steps in this hiring process? But top candidates use these precise moments to stand out. This is the truth that not many people know about, but the questions you ask can leave a lasting impression on your candidature and can also influence your hiring decision. So, here are 7 powerful questions that show that you are strategic, insightful, and the kind of hire they need in their team. Starting with question number 1. What does success look like in the first 90 days? This question shows that you are results oriented. It helps you understand how they measure success and lets you also think about how you are going to deliver value from day one. So, if they say something like, we need someone who can improve our reporting process by 30%, you can immediately talk about your experience doing exactly that. Question number 2. What are the biggest team challenges that I can help resolve? This immediately makes you look proactive and focused on impact. It also gives you insights into the team dynamics, so you know what you're walking into. So, if they say something like, we struggle with cross team communication, you can seize this moment to highlight how you have improved collaboration in past roles. Question number 3. How would you describe the management style of the person I would be reporting to? This is a powerful yet a very subtle way for you to assess that if their leadership style aligns best with how you work. You will get clues whether they are hands on, hands off, or somewhere in between. If they say something like they are very detail oriented and are ones who prefer weekly check ins, you will get to know if that matches your ideal work style. Question number 4. What distinguishes your top performers from everyone else? This gives you insight into company values and what they truly reward. And you know what I like most about this question? It also signals your hiring manager that you are not here to be just average. You are here to excel. They can give a response like, our top performers go over and above doing the things that might not be originally part of their job description. This is your moment to share an example of how you have done that in your past experiences. Question number 5, and the one that I appreciate the most. How does the company support professional development and growth? This immediately gives away the impression that you are thinking long term with them. This also helps you gauge whether they invest in their employees' skills. If they mention something along the lines of mentorship programs or leadership training, it signals they care about career progression. Question number 6. What made you decide to join this company? And what keeps you here? This question flips the conversation and makes it more personal. It makes you understand what is so great or not so great about working here. In most of the cases, I've seen the interviewers struggle to answer, or they sound like, I'm not sure. And this immediately gives me the sign that there are some red flags about the company culture. Question number 7. What do new employees find surprising after they start the work? And let's be honest, every company has a certain way of working that you get to know only after you are hired. This particular question, if you're going to ask them, makes them reveal the real challenges well before in advance. Or you never know, there are some hidden perks that you wouldn't otherwise get to know. I have seen responses like, we are in a fast paced environment where priorities keep changing very frequently. Asking this kind of question helps you understand if this is the environment you see yourself thriving in. The bottom line that I want to share is that the best candidates, they don't just answer questions in an interview. They go into an interview to create meaningful conversations. Always treat interviews as a two-way street. It's not just you who is being evaluated. You are also evaluating them. So next time if your interviewer asks you, do you have any questions for us? I would say don't waste that moment. Use these 7 smart questions that I just shared with you to stand out, impress, and make sure that the job is a right fit for you. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.